Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the CamelBak Podium Chill water bottle or sports bottle. This is a BPA free. This is the 21-ounce carbon color, and this is insulated, and that's the main reason I bought this. It says that it'll keep your water cooler 2 times longer than a standard non-insulated water bottle. It has a very soft tip. It has a lockout, which I really like, and I'm going to grab the bottle on my bike. It does fit perfectly well in a water bottle cage, as you can see. And so the lockout, when it's locked, you can squeeze it and it will not leak whatsoever. Completely spill-proof at this point. Now, when you spin this lockout to the other direction and tip it upside down, like if it falls over in your car, it's still not going to leak at all. Unless you violently shake it, it might drip a little bit. But if you give it a squeeze, you're going to get a nice blast of water. So when you drink out of this, you can either, tip it up to your mouth and then give it a shot, a squeeze, and you get a good blast of water, or you can just tip it upside down and sip it right out of the end without squeezing whatsoever. So 2 ways to get water, and I like both methods myself. Sometimes I use a blast, sometimes I just sip it out. As far as the cap, it screws on really nicely, and you can probably can't see it too well, but there's actually an insulating sleeve that sort of goes around the inner liner. All right, insulated water bottle, regular water bottle, 2 scoops of ice in each, exact same amount of ice, cold water. Fill these right up to the top. I'm going to get a thermometer and do a temperature reading. Give that just a second to cool down. And here is my thermometer. All right, we basically have 33-degree water here. So out in the sun it goes, and I'll check back and let you know how it's faring. It's been 40 minutes so far in 90-degree blazing hot sun. I can hear that the CamelBak still has a little bit of ice left in it, and the non-insulated bottle has no ice in it. So I'm going to check the temperatures, see how they held up. Alright, so the non-insulated water bottle is 64 degrees. Hey, and check this out. There's still a little bit of ice left, and we've got a nice cool temperature left in this insulated water bottle. The CamelBak is reading 40 degrees, and this is after about 40 minutes in 90-degree sun. Alright, here we are. It has been 70 minutes, 70 total minutes in the 90-degree sunny sun weather that I'm having here in upstate New York, and the non-insulated water bottle temperature is 82 degrees. And the CamelBak definitely is cooler. It has no more ice, but it is definitely much cooler. Looks like it is gonna come in at about 52 degrees. Make that 52 degrees. So that is definitely cooler water, and after a pretty long time in the hot sun. So that is gonna, I think I'm gonna take a sip of that right now. I must admit, after an hour in the hot sun, that is very cool water and it tastes great. So that'll be really nice on a bike ride. Alright, it's been 2 full hours. It's been a 90-degree full sun day. These water bottles have been out here sweltering. And the non-insulated bottle water temperature is 91 degrees. That's what you'd be drinking if you were on your bike right now, wanting a nice cool sip of water after 2 hours of riding. So this is reading 68 degrees versus 91 degrees. So this is definitely a lot cooler, and on a 90-degree hot sweltering day on your bike after 2 hours, I think you'll appreciate the difference that a cool sip of water will make. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.